Hey guys, welcome to the Samsung mobile guide, and here I'll detail how to recover screen recording video in Samsung. So if you recorded some videos on your Samsung Galaxy phone using your screen recorder application, this particular feature which is called screen recorder, and then you want to recover the video after recording it for editing, then this video is going to show you how you can easily find these recorded videos on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So if you are like me, you will create a directory for your recorded videos or screen recorded videos on your Samsung Galaxy phone. To do this, just go to your Samsung phone settings, and on settings page, scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to additional features and click on that. Then scroll down the bottom. Here, locate screenshot and screen recording. Then scroll down to screen recording here, so you can easily change the screen recording directory on your Samsung Galaxy phone so that you can easily access or recover the recorded screen on your phone. So here you can see I have DCM screen recording name. Then you can just hit the back button and come to internal storage. And then on the internal storage, click on the plus button to create your recorded screen folder. So recorded screen. Then click on create. Once you've created recorded screen, go ahead and click on done. Now go back to my files on your Samsung phone. Once you open my files, come to internal storage, and on internal storage you see recorded screen. So is that recorded screen? Now when next you record a screen on your Samsung phone, you should be able to recover the screen recorded on your recorded screen folder. So let's try this. Swipe down the control center and then go ahead and screen record your Samsung phone screen. So start recording. Then now once you're done recording anything you want to record on your Samsung phone screen, stop it like this, and once you see recording saved, go back to my files. Then under my files you see your recent files. Then the recorded videos will be here, and if it is not here, scroll down and click on internal storage. Then locate recorded screen. Then you see this. Then you should see your recorded screen on your Samsung Galaxy phone, so you can recover it from there and then start editing it. So that is basically how to recover screen recording video in Samsung. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.